How to activate OCBC Credit Card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate OCBC Credit Card online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for internet.ocbc.com/card activation. In the interface that you will be led to, firstly, make sure to select the card activation checkbox here. Now go ahead and enter the last 8 digits of your card number. Also enter the expiry date mentioned on your card and enter the NRIC or passport number. Now go ahead and enter the CAPTCHA shown on the screen for verification purposes. Once done, select the Terms and Conditions checkbox in order to agree to the terms and conditions by activating the card, and now tap on the Next button. Go ahead and further follow the on-screen prompts until the end in order to activate your OCBC credit card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.